Goodklife bonded stripper rings, the premium choice for high-precision slitting lines. Goodklife bonded stripper rings are designed specifically for high-precision slitting lines, offering exceptional precision, flatness and parallelism. Reach 0.002 mm, thickness tolerance 0.001 mm, and roughness of just 0.2 microns. Raw materials are the core of quality, and Goodklife selects them based on the customer's budget and application scenario. High-strength, rust-resistant stainless steel is used for wet workshops. Both stainless steel and alloy tool steel undergo rigorous heat treatment to ensure wear resistance and shear system rigidity. The outer rubber layer is selected based on the customer's material characteristics, with the appropriate hardness selected based on the material's thickness and strength to ensure perfect cutting results.